Okay, so here's a comparison of tools, the ones that I use and the ones that my workmates use in Japan. So the Japanese name for this is,
三角ゴテ
and this.
メチゴテ
So the difference, it's a lot lighter. This one's a lot heavier. いくらぐらい
5000円
5000 yen, 5000 yen.
ジャパニーズプライス5000円
これはいくら
1500円
1,500 yen. These are pretty good. I like these ones. The Kote, the trowel, they're a little bit too flimsy for me. Look, they break quite easy. これ何年前買った
4年前
4 years, yeah. But they're very light, so that's good. There you go, 5,000 yen, 5,000 yen
5000円
for a new one. There you go, very light, very good. All the tools that we got. What about these trowels, what are these called? これは何 What's this
押さえ
called?
ゴテ
押さえ
押さえゴテ
Osai Gote. Okay, so that's trowels are Kote or Gote. And yeah, there you go, that's comparison.